This one color eyeshadow look, as you know on this channel, I love to change it up. So now I'm going to change and give it a little pizzazz before I step out. I'm going to go into a shimmer. It's like an orange shimmer. I'm going to put it on this wine burgundy. For Christmas, my family and I, we went out to eat up in West Palm Beach. And the family went out. I had so much to eat. I ate a lot of food. I could not believe how much I ate. The food was so delicious. I had a quinoa salad. And before they brought the salad, we ordered the fresh guacamole with the homemade fresh chips. And that was, when I tell you delicious, it was delicious. And for drink, I don't drink alcohol, so I had a fresh ginger lime with agave drink. It was not sweet, it was not sour, it was just right. Whoever makes it know what they're making. We sat there, we ate, we talked, we laughed, and then we left because we were out for at least 2.5 hours. We drove there, sat down, ate, relaxed, talked, and then head home. On the way home, my stomach just feels so full. It just felt like I needed to rest. But when I get home, I was like, nope, I'm not going to lay down. My stomach felt terrible, full. I have never eaten all that before in one sitting. So I came home, undressed, put my walking clothes on, sneakers and socks, and I walked from the house to the park. I'm going back into the first color just to put on the edge of the shimmer. So I walk from the house to the park, walk around the park twice because there is a lot of equipment and everything in the park. I did not use the equipment in the park. I just wanted to walk and feel better. That overeating, I'm like, I cannot do this again. That is so uncomfortable. And after I walk around the park twice, then I walked back home and I felt way better. I was like, oh my God. But that's what I did for Christmas because now our kids are all grown. So we don't really, cook and, do that like we used to. We just tell the kids, they're all grown. So we always tell them, we're going out to eat. If you want to come, let us know. And my husband's dad is with, we make sure we invite him because he's the only one there. And we invite him and we go out to eat. Remember, I'm changing this one color eyeshadow look to this. I'm going to go into, there's a brown. I really wanted a black, but there's a dark brown. So I'm going to take this side of the brush and use that I want to put it in the outer corner. Just a little bit of brown, just a little bit of brown. Today's I am says, I am confident to be who and what I am. I am confident to be who and what I am. Always remember self is first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. If you need help, please seek help. I love you always, and you do matter, and you are always enough. I am content to be who and what I am. Today's I am. Please be content with who you are. When you are content, you are in alignment with God. Don't let people take you off your path. Be content with who you are. Today's look, I changed this one color eyeshadow look to this. I use the Fiery palette from Beauty Bay. I have 3 colors on. And this is it. I appreciate you watching always. Please remember to hype this video, take care of yourself, and until I see you and you, beautiful soul, see me. Remember, be content with who you are. Please be content with who you are. I love you dearly. You are enough and you belong. See you shortly. Bye.